Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are thrilled to offer this Kawasaki GTR1400, registered the 6th of October 2009 on a 59 plate, with only 14,573 miles, and presented in Metallic Diablo Black. This superb sports tourer benefits from a comprehensive service history with 7 stamps in the book, genuine color-coded Kawasaki panniers, Delkevic exhaust, heated grips, 12 volts power output, ABS, traction control, electric screen, keyless ignition and center stand. The GTR is an incredible sports tourer. It's comfy, sporty, and engaging to ride. This shaft-driven powerhouse is silky smooth and just crying out for a new owner and epic road trip. This capable and engaging sport tourer would leave us serviced, where required, with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, 12 months MOT, and 3 months warranty. You also have the option to extend to a 12 or 24-month warranty for additional peace of mind. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. Please note we have a small £75 admin fee, applicable on all of our bikes. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 01424 44 44 48, email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk or WhatsApp 07359837799. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.